I hear you, Alexa, because I used to snore a lot too. My nickname used to be Snorlax. I used to be afraid to fall asleep in front of my friends, girlfriends, and just anybody in general. Until I got these. Now before you say, hold on, there's a hole right in the center. This mouth tape still promotes nasal breathing, less snoring, and better sleep. The tape itself is breathable, and this small hole acts as a safety net for those of you that have a hard time breathing through your nose. If you've wanted to try mouth taping but are unsure, I highly recommend you start off with this one because this design helps you breathe comfortably throughout the night. Hurry up and grab a pack at the link below.